Alright, now the second kick we taught us on Wednesday. So it's same idea than the first one, but than the one that we just did, but it's just a little bit different, of course. So you're in position, and you bring your striking leg towards your stable leg. So you have to move just a tiny bit your hips to get in position to do that motion actually. And then you come back, turning your hip completely towards your opponent on the side, and poof, you kick like the first front kick, boom, alright? And you come back, poof. I'm going to do the other side. So you come and you turn just a little bit your hips, and you come back on the other side, boom, and you kick. And I kind of lost my balance because I was too slow. But you kick and you come back, alright? So I'm going to do both sides in one motion, yes, in one motion. So turn a little bit, turn a lot, boom, kick, come down, turn a little bit, turn a lot, kick, come down, alright? So obviously again, you keep your shoulders and your hip together. So you come, you turn your hip and your shoulders, boom, you kick, and you come back down. You turn your hip and your shoulders, turn, boom, alright, hip and shoulders together. And you don't have to go high, obviously, in those kind of kicks. We kick the leg. So again, try to practice and go in front of a mirror to do it and check on yourself. Remember, always stay straight, alright?